Well, we got a joining the match now. Finally, after 5 or 10 minutes, it put us in a match where some poor bastard on the other side gets to beat on all the lower tiers in his tier 5. It's a little sobering. When you're coming up on starships, they have a 13-14 second reload. You wait till they fire, you pull out, you aim carefully at their hatch, which will be on your left, their right of the tank. You fire and you pull back before they can reload. When you're coming up on the WZ-1224, you turn around and run.
Driver crank. Affirmative.
You're going straight ahead down the slope.
Affirmative. Loader, ready up. Up. Driver, move out.
Well, normally I would come way past here, but we got nobody with us at this point. So I shall stop here and just see what they send around that rock wall. Pull up on my left and aim your gun around me and wait. Oh, did I see the WZ pop up for a second? Oh, yes. Not yet. Let's let this scorpion. I want to make for sure that. Okay, here comes a tier 3. Okay, let's go. There's the WZ. He's up in the center. M60 coming out. Lower plate. Put the swing fire. Pull back, the swing fire is firing missiles. Nice hit. Push on in. Nice. One more M60 to kill on this flank. Hit him in the tumor. Alright, push over. Don't frontally engage. Push. Yes. Nice double tap. Let's keep moving. Oh, we got a T60 behind us. Turn around. And an OF-40.
No effect. Identified. Off the tank.
slapped again. We got a little bit of a shit sandwich here. Remember to hit the starship and the tumor. Get down in the low part with me.
Shit, track damage! We're hit! No effect. Identify target. Hostile truck. All penetrating. We're hit.
Oh, it was pretty good. Got some damage. We got some kills. Well, a kill between us, but either one of us could have gotten that kill. It was so close. This is not the kind of wipe game that worries me at all. In fact, it's still fairly close, even though I know we're going to lose. But they spent too long killing that tier 5 to pull it off. And they flat aren't doing a good job of killing him, even though they have him dead to rights right now. Like that guy, missing completely. 2 misses. Already to a halt. Wow. Fairly impressive. Yeah, skidded to a sap. Later, arrow. Okay, so we got one full health, tier 4, 25% tier 4, 75% tier 4. And they're gonna fight off the whole enemy force. I don't think so. Yeah, rush right in, take half his health in one shot. And then fail to even hit the starship. Because he doesn't know where to pen him. Aim in on the hatch, you bastard. Wow. So just don't pen him at all and go down to 48 HP. What the hell? Wow, he deserved that, but still, it was my team. I knew this was going to happen, though, so it's okay. Look at this guy. He can't even figure out how to get his gun elevated. Wow. Oh, it's the ramp. Oh, he couldn't even get the ramp. Nope. Oh. These are the same people that harried the tier 5 to death, and then they couldn't even handle a single tier 4. Sometimes it just makes me want to... Yeah. I can tell you right now, that's a low damage game for me in my Type 59, and I'm still going to be better than most of those fucks at the end. Yep. What do you know? The T-64 at the end got 2 hits of damage. His teammate did pretty well, though. Got 5 or 6 hits of damage. You and I placed right next to each other. Well out of the tier 3 league and up into the tier 4 league. Not that it helped. Yep. About right.